So I'm Hannah Strong, so I'm one of the part-time lecturers, but I also am one of the clinic supervisors in the SUST Clinic. So it's a university-run sports injury clinic, and it is run by our level 6 students. So they will treat members of the public that book in. So it's sport massage, injury assessments, rehabilitation programmes as well that they do and deliver. So we're open 5 days a week. We do discounted treatments because it is our level 6 students that are treating. You won't get any sort of offers cheaper anywhere else at any of the clinics. So prices just start at £10, which is really good value for money. All of our students are all Society Sports Therapists, student members as well, and they're always fully supervised by a clinic supervisor like myself.
It prepares us for when we graduate, so we get a lot of hands-on. So we do massage, injury assessments, different sort of treatments like ultrasound and electrotherapy. Our prices are cut because we've not graduated, but it gives us a lot of experience, so prepare us for when we do go out there and work on our own.
I do really enjoy it. It's a way for us to sort of get our work experience hours, get out there, but without having to go there by ourselves. So we'll have the lecturers there looking after us, like being there for us if we need them. I think it's good for the public because obviously they'll have us there, but they'll also have the supervisor there, so they are getting like first-class treatment. But then again, we're getting the experience as well, so it's best for both of us.
It's really good value for money, and again we're open 5 days a week, so it's accessible for anyone and everyone as well. So if you can't come into a lunchtime clinic, we are open in the evening as well, 5 till 7. So again, it's a really good opportunity for people to come in and use the clinic.